What's up? Once again, it's your man Big John Restoration, located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. We got a 2012 Chrysler 300. At one time, this vehicle used to be silver. Customer wanted it black with the red flakes. And it also has the red and black 22-inch staggered Ashantis. He also wanted all the trimming done in red as well. John's Restoration. We're located in Virginia Beach, Virginia. Contact number is 757-713-2277. We also deal with all the major insurance companies, so we do honor insurance claims as well. We're also on Facebook under John's Restoration 2. Once again, that contact number is 757-713-2277.